How to make art gallery website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website for your art gallery. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So next, you just need to click this blue button, create new site. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need the website for art gallery. So I'll just type in art gallery, and here you can choose exactly what type of website do you want to create. So either art gallery or modern art gallery or art gallery opening, art gallery blog, art gallery guide. So as you can see, you have plenty of choices, so guys, choose whatever you want, whatever you need. For this video I will just choose this one, simply art gallery, and click this blue button, continue. The next step is that we need to create a name for website, so basically the name of our art gallery. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website, just making video for you. Next step, what are your goals for this site? This will help us match you with tools and features to fit your needs. So if you want to sell products on your site, choose this one. If you just want to share knowledge, choose this one. Offer services, etc. I think you got this. So basically, I think on our website, of course, we need to choose display creative work, obviously. Choose the apps you would like to add, give your site more functionality with Wix Business Solutions, so recommended for you online store, events and blog. Also you can discover more apps such as bookings, portfolio, pricing plans, forms, chat, Instagram feed. Obviously I think we need this one. Portfolio for art gallery website, showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio. And guys, as I already said, feel free to choose some of that if you really need this on your website. For example, if you are gonna sell something on your website, choose obviously this one. Or if you want to create events, sell tickets, choose this one. If you want to write posts to drive traffic and share your ideas, choose this one. And now we are all set. We can continue to dashboard. Now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 4 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix.com have plenty of ready templates. I'm sure every user will find the nice template that fits and suit your idea of your website. So here is results for art gallery. To be honest, all templates are really nice. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best. I really like this one, obviously art gallery. Then you can click view to check this out, check this template, and if you like this one, click this blue button, edit this site, and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, Java, HTML. You just use a website for creating another website. I think that is the best about Wix.com. That's why I highly recommend you to try this website, to choose this option for creating your website. So everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. You can see we have such pages as home, about, exhibitions, past events, artists, contact, portfolio. Also you have portfolio pages such as portfolio, collection pages, project pages, event pages. Of course you can manage your pages. For example, you can delete some of them, you can move the order of pages, you can add some new pages here. I will show you how to delete pages. It's very easy, just click this button, or you can just hide it from menu like this. And when you need this page again, you just click this button, show in menu, and here it is. Also in the left we have functions such as add elements, add section, pages and menu. Basically this is exactly this one, manage pages, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. Here we see how our site divided into several parts, from header to footer. Also you have decorative section, event list. So this is our home page. For example, we can check exhibitions page. Here it is. Portfolio page. So basically for art gallery website, of course, first of all, you need to edit this one, portfolio. It's my opinion, don't really know about art gallery. So how to edit this section, for example, or another section. Just double click on the section, or you can just one more time, either double click on it, either click this button here, quick edit. So for example, to edit this text, also double click on this text and you can edit it, like change style, change fonts, font size. Of course you need to edit this media here, images, so simply you can delete this one, or manage projects, this button. So to set up your portfolio, you can set up it with AI or without AI. So here it is. Here you can delete this one, hide it, add some projects, choose the edit the order. So let's back to home page. For example, you don't need this event list, simply delete this one. For example, you need to edit header. You can see it's like almost empty. It's not nice, we need to add something here. Click add elements. For example, you want to add some button or menu, just choose menu you really likes, for example this one, and simply drag it here and you have it. Of course you can manage it, you can change the size, you can change the buttons. For example, you want to have some logo here, or just add some images. So add elements, add image, and you can upload images from your computer, and as I already said, just drop it here and you will have this. Also you can add sections. For example, we don't have a welcome section, as you can see, so just choose the welcome section, for example this one, and drop it anywhere. Of course you can edit this one, like double click, write whatever you want here, change the size. You can add some button, for example view more, and you can link this button. What do you want to link to? For example, you can link it to a page on your own website, or you can link it to another website here, or you can link it to section on your website, even email, phone number. So in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So when you're done editing your site, click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. Basically your site will be available on the global internet, so it's very nice and easy. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using the site. I hope you liked this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.